The first level is it is going to give a lot of emphasis on personal qualities. So that's why I call as individual excellence. So here we are looking at how a person takes up the challenges, how a person's personality has to be developed, how a person looks at just beyond his personal goals but to larger goals. All these things comes under the individual development as such. Around 30 to 40% of our content will be dedicated only on that. Then you have an organization where he is going to work primarily. So you look at the organizational leadership element of it. So today's organizations, if it has to lead, it has to focus on 4 aspects. One, it has to be cost conscious, and that too from a total cost of ownership perspective. The second is we also look at, specifically from an Indian context, how do we innovate? If you look at almost all the businesses where our students are going to be working on, the number of non-customers is actually more than the number of customers. Now, by creating innovative ways, you can actually expand the business. So people speak about a competitive space. I believe that more than the competition, it's something which thinks beyond the competition is what is important. The third key element is how do we actually excite the customers. And fourth element, which is important for Indian industry, is that how do we actually globalize. But with Make in India movement, we are actually looking at a slightly different paradigm. We are saying that make something for the world, which means our industries have to be competent into the global market. Not just to compete with the global product, but also to take across the products and services across the globe. So that is a challenge which the students have to look at. How do they internationalize their businesses, etc. So these 4 elements becomes the elements of the organizational leadership. Now the third key part of the program which Bennett is going to give is on the societal leadership. Because around us in the society, there are a lot of challenges, and there are many problems which you see are actually managerial in nature. And interestingly, they also give avenues for entrepreneurship.